Hello guys, Gaurav this side. Today I'm gonna show you Selenium integrations with Jenkins CI/CD tools. We have many tools in the market which provides the continuous integrations and continuous developments. Like we have a GitLab, TeamCity, Jenkins, Buddy, etc. Jenkins is an open source build trigger tools. It's a very powerful tools which are available on the current markets. Let's discuss about this without wastage of times. Before starting these tutorials, the very first question is why we need Jenkins. Use of Jenkins. As we know, automation is a process which most widely used for the regression, smoke and sanity testing. Because use of the same task again and again, it's so boring and sometimes it's very irritating. What is the solution? Solution is CI/CD, Jenkins tools. Also discuss about the advantage of Jenkins. As we already know, Jenkins is completely written in Java. It's a open source tools across the platforms. It's available on the Windows, Linux, Ox, etc. The result on email. The result on email is a very powerful features of Jenkins that's provide the result on a Gmails and the other emails platform. We can use the any emails through this. We can notify on the emails for the each result after each result. Scheduling the build. Schedule build on time. It's also a powerful features of Jenkins. We can schedule the builds on future also. In my today tutorials, I will show you a general Selenium code integration with Jenkins. Before starting this, you must have the following tools in your device. The very first one is IDE. IDE stands for Integration Development Environments. I'm using Eclipse. You can use NetBeans, etc. Let me show you where it is. Here is the Eclipse. You can see here. Here's the Eclipse. The second one is Java installations. Java installation in your local system. Let me show you where it is. You have to go see program files. Just find here Java JDK. Here is the path of JDK. The next one is set path. You have to set the path of Java JDK before starting the Seleniums and the Jenkins. Let me show you where it is. Just go to the properties, system properties, and here you find the system info. Just go to the advanced system settings, environment variables. Yeah, just here you can find the path. Edit this path and set here the path of JDK. Let me close this. And the next is Selenium project. Of course, you also need a Selenium projects where you written your all Selenium codes and execute this code on Jenkins. Let me show you this also. Here is a APM code. Let me show you this. This code is a dummy code just to show you that the integration. Here is a testng class. Here's the before shoot, and this is just to show you that the integrations. Let's move further without wasting of time. The next one is, of course, you need Jenkins installations on your local systems. Just go to the website, just Google the Jenkins downloads and hit the enter. You can find here jenkins.oi download. You can download Jenkins here for Windows from here. After installations of Jenkins, once the Jenkins installation is complete, just open the browser and the local host URL, this one. So here is you need to set the paths and all things here. Open Jenkins and set the Java path. First you have to go to manage Jenkins, configure system, and here you can see environment variables. Just set here Java home and the path of JDK. As we also discussed the path of JDK in C program files, Java and JDK. Here's the path. The second thing you have to do, just go to the global tools, just go back. Here is the global tool configurations. and JDK installations. Here you also need to set your Java JDK path before starting of Jenkins and Selenium integrations. Just put here names and the path of this. Make sure that installer automatically is disabled, because sometimes this will be update the Java latest versions. This that will be create a problem for us. So make sure this is unselected. The next things we have to do, just go to the back to the dashboard, and let's move to the Eclipse. So once the Selenium code is ready, just click on this is a project name and convert our XML files. We can execute our Selenium code with Jenkins only with XML files. Just right click the projects and go to the test engine. Convert this project to test engine. Once that is done, you can find here a .xml files. This is a .xml file. Just go to the property, just copy the path, and this will be opened. This is a project location. This is my project locations. Here I need to create .batrun files which integrates my complete project to Jenkins and perform my test. Here is, let me show you. Here is my, first we have to do here is a library files. Create a new folder at project locations with name lib and provides all extract jar files in this folder. Make sure that you need here all jar files before executing this process. If anything files will make, if any file will with this project related, let me show you one thing. I'm using here testng. For testng I need a complete jar files. Here is a complete jar file for testng. Just go to the back. Here is a lib folder. Here we need to create a .runbat file. That .run file will be integrated to Jenkins and schedule the complete project. Let me show you. Let's edit this file. Here is the set project locations. Set project location is of course this Jenkins. Here is the Jenkins CD project location. Set class path. This is a class path in the bin folder, and this is my XML path. And here's the pause. Just close this. So here, once you have created this file in a notepad, save this file on .run.bat. I already saved here run.bat. Once it is done, you have to make sure that it is working fine or not. Just double tap on the run.files. This will be executed and provides the result. Here you can see Gaurav automate regression testing. Test total test run is 1, failure is 0, skip is 0. Okay, let's move further. This is my project location and it's the class. Just go to backs. On Jenkins, I need to provide the path of this file for executions purpose. Just you can see .run file here and move to Jenkins installations. Just close this browser. Go to new items. Here is the freestyle projects. Just put here any name, just like Gaurav, SS, anything else, and click on OK. So here is the descriptions. Here you need to put the local workspace path. Here is a directory and display name. You can use display name anything else, ABCD or else. Let me use say one. Here is a directory. I need to provide the path of my workspace here. Just go to the workspace. Here is my workspace and it is, just copy this and move to the directory. Click on this. This is my workspace path and here is the name, save. Just scroll down the page and here you can save. Here you can see the build. As I already show you, this is a run.bat file. I need to execute this file on Jenkins to completely run my project. This run.bat file execute this complete process through Jenkins. So here's the run. You can use any name here. I'm using run.bat. So just move here and execute Windows batch command. Here you need to provide here just run.bat. This is a file name and just click on the save. Project save one is created. Just go to the build now. Let me first save this changes here. Yeah, you can close the browser. Tap on the build schedules. Here you can see the build scheduled. Go to workspace. Here you can see your complete workspace, provided paths. Here is the .run.bat files. This is my configure paths. Just move back and go to the status tabs. Status show you the last build. This is my last scheduled build. And here's the console output. You can see the console output. See, the test is successfully finished, and the Gaurav automate and regression testing is the result for this task, and it's successfully finished. Okay, apart from that, just move to dashboard. Here you can see this is executed. Save one is just 55 minutes second before. So just go to the manage Jenkins, configure system. Let me show you again. Here, once you created this, let me show you how we can send email or build trigger features. Here's the build trigger. If I want to schedule my builds on time to time, just like CI/CD continuous integration and continuous development provides the continuous development of code, if I already know the time which we need to execute the code, I can provide here the times in the format of 00, just like this, and this build will be executed at that particular time. Just go to the back. It's a build trigger feature. Let me also show you, link this page. Configuration, systems, and scroll down. Email notifications. If you want this all results, the written result on your emails, you can provide here SMTP servers names, email IDs, and go to just advanced and provide these details. Once you have done this, you can schedule your builds. This result will be delivered on your emails. You can find the result on each time. You can schedule build on daily basis, monthly basis, whatever you want. This is a very powerful feature of Jenkins. Thanks for watching video.